Sustainable cooking is an essential practice that focuses on utilizing local ingredients to minimize environmental impact while supporting local economies. By sourcing food within your community, you reduce transportation emissions, contribute to the preservation of local farms, and promote seasonal eating. Understanding the concept of sustainability in cooking encourages us not only to consider our choices but also to connect with our surroundings in a more meaningful way. One of the key benefits of using local ingredients is the incredible freshness and flavor they provide. When you choose to buy from local markets or farms, you experience produce at its peak, harvested at the right time for optimal taste. Fresh ingredients not only enhance your meals but also offer higher nutritional value. For example, vegetables picked on the same day you purchase them retain more vitamins compared to those shipped from faraway countries, which often lose nutrients during transit. Moreover, cooking with local ingredients fosters a sense of community and supports local economies. When you buy from local farmers, you are investing directly in your community. This practice helps maintain small-scale farming operations, thus preserving the charm and diversity of your region's food landscape. Furthermore, building relationships with local producers can lead to access to unique ingredients and insights into better cooking methods, allowing you to create truly special dishes. Seasonality is another vital aspect of sustainable cooking. By focusing on what is in season, you not only optimize freshness but also contribute to a more sustainable food system. Seasonal cooking encourages variety in your diet, prompting you to experiment with different recipes and flavors throughout the year. This can introduce you to new ingredients and encourage creativity in the kitchen, making each meal a delightful adventure. In conclusion, sustainable cooking with local ingredients offers numerous benefits for health, community, and the planet. By choosing to source your food locally, you embrace fresh flavors, support local economies, and promote seasonal eating. As you embark on your journey into sustainable cooking, remember that every small change in your food choices can lead to a broader impact. Start exploring local markets and discover the joy of cooking with ingredients that are both fresh and sustainable.